Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In today's episode we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from Jane Minto, and the cup number is cup 1113276 underscore 57683. It's called Watching You, and you get 3 sheets, and it's to fit a 7x7 square card. You get the card front, you get inserts and decoupage as well. I'd like to show you what you get in the actual kit itself, and then we'll go ahead and make the card. So this is ideal for any dog lovers. This is the card front, and as I said, it's for a 7x7 square card. So this is going to fit on the front of your card, and it actually says, every snack you make, every meal you bake, every bite you take, I'll be watching you. I think that is really cool. The second sheet is the decoupage. So we've got the panels to build up, we've got the dog's faces for the decoupage, and we've got lots of sentiments. And the third and final sheet is the insert panel with this gorgeous little fella watching you. So let's go ahead and make the card. I've got a blank white 7x7 square card, and the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to add the insert. So I've taken the blank insert, I've got double-sided flat adhesive tape on the back. I'm going to peel away the carrier sheet from the tape. Now you might prefer to use wet glue or tape runner. It's entirely your choice, whatever you're happy using. I'm going to add the insert to the centre of the card, and when I'm happy it's in the right position, I'm then going to press it down to make sure it's firmly stuck. I've also taken one of the sentiments from the actual mini kit, and it says the best dog dad, and I just think that's a really cute sentiment. I've got flat double-sided tape on the back, and I'm just going to add that just above this little fella's head. Just pop it at the bottom and press it down. And then we've still got enough room for our message, our to and our from. And if you wanted to stamp a sentiment, or you've got a die, or you want to write something personal, you've got enough room for that. So now we can turn our attention to the front of the card. So I've taken the card front, I've cut it out. Again, I've got flat double-sided tape on the back. I'm peeling away the carrier tape, and I'm going to then position the card front just central to the card. And when I'm happy, just like the insert, I'm going to press it down to make sure it's firmly stuck. So then we can start layering our decoupage. So I've cut out all the panels, I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm going to position each panel over the image on the card front. So we'll just do each one in turn to build up that card front. The sentiment as well, and just add that one. And then finally the last poochie, 3D foam again on the back, and press that down. Then we have the dog's happy faces. I've cut them out, I've got 3D foam on the back, and I can just position them over the same image on the card, building up the decoupage as we go. So it can make them look as though they're just jumping out of the front of the card. And the final face, and what a face it is, 3D foam on the back, and we'll just add him there and press him down. And that's our gorgeous card finished. So we've got the gorgeous layers on the front, we've got our matching inserts, and I'd like to remind you of the cup number. So it's from Jane Minto, and it's cup 111 3276 underscore 57683. And you can see more of Jane's designs by going to the Craftsuprint website and searching for Jane Minto. So I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.